It's my client transitioning from shaving to waxing for me. Like, yes, I am here for it. We are using Tickled Pink from Sexy Smooth Wax Company. This is a new wax that they just dropped to their wax line, and I was super excited to try it because pink is my favorite color. Y'all already know how I feel about Purple Seduction. Miss Purple Seduction is definitely top tier. She is that girl, but guess what? Miss Tickled Pink is too, because look at those hair follicles. Y'all know that the wax is good when those hair follicles are folliculing. As y'all can see, it's barely any hair left, so we're just going back, applying a little pressure, of course, because again, she is transitioning from shaving to waxing, so you know the hair are a little bit thicker and more blunt, and we want the wax to pick up all those little itty bitty hairs. At this point, we only had like 5 or 6 hairs left, but I didn't want to tweeze them because I know how annoying tweezers could be, and my client, she is more sensitive, so I just did one last strip of Purple Seduction. Yes, my girl, and she definitely finished the whole entire job for me, leaving her underarms super smooth. There's no stubble in sight. We finished up with Wax and Lovely Ingrown Potion Oil, and boom, smooth underarms.